Camp Panther Cove is one of the Adirondack's most extraordinary and private waterfront compounds, spanning 16.5 acres and nearly a century of history. This is a place that has offered a refuge, beauty, and deep connection for generations.
I'm Otto. We're born and raised in New York City, and we've been at Panther Cove now for 45 years. At Panther Cove, we have a number of buildings. Because Mrs. Donald put camps together, if I start from age, the white farmhouse is the oldest, the 1890s. The Little Boathouse was at about the same time, and I found an 1890s date in the Little Boathouse. The Japanese house would come next, probably built about 1910 when Teddy Roosevelt won the Nobel Peace Prize for settling the Russo-Japanese War. And Japanese things in the Adirondacks became very popular. There are a number of camps that have Japanese buildings. Next would come the cabin by the water, which Mrs. Donald built in 1937, along with the Big Boathouse. And that cabin by the water is grandfathered close to the water, and its sleeping porch is a wonderful place to be right close to the water. What we call the new cabin that we built, it took us 4 or 5 years to build. We started in the mid-1980s and finished it in about 1990. That's the modern building with everything modern, incredibly thermally efficient and all those good things, but still at this point pretty much a summer building. I think Panther Cove has really been a geographical center, particularly for my kids. And this is the one place that represents a happy time with the whole family, and a place that they in fact are very, very fond of in terms of its geography and what the Adirondacks can give you. We are at the bottom end of Upper Saranac Lake. The lake itself is a big lake, and one of the wonderful things about being at the southern end is there are very few boats or jet skis that come this far.
This property isn't just a camp. It's a sanctuary, a legacy, and a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to own a true Adirondack treasure.